Welcome to virtualintelliconcepts.com. Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how to configure RIP routing in GNS3. RIP is nothing but routing information protocol. It is one of the open standard protocol. Open standard protocol means everyone can use this protocol. This is a open protocol. This is called open standard protocol. Next step is this RIP routing have there are two types. One is RIP version 1, another one is RIP version 2. RIP version is supported only classful routing. Classful routing means only any one class IP address you can use in this network. This is called is a classful routing. The RIP version 2 supporting classless routing. It means they supporting different type of network IP classes. So this is called classless routing. Next, this routing communicate to each other router via broadcast address 255, 255, 255, 255. The next, the RIP routing AD value is 120. Administrative value is 120. The maximum hop count is 15. This RIP routing supported up to 15 router. If you are using 16 router, it is throwing some error. Destination unreachable or target unreachable, showing some. It is supporting up to 15 routers. Next, it is a load balancing router. It is a load balancing routing protocol. Okay. Next, we are going to some practical oriented. So first of all, I need two Cisco routers. I'm taking one Cisco router here. Just wait. I'm taking another Cisco router here. Once it is completed, I need two switches. I'm taking switch here. I'm taking hub, no problem. You can take switch or hub, no problem. You can use your wish. I want to take two hosts. Take one host here. For any device, one host here. Okay, next I want to make the connections. So first of all, this router don't have the serial input interface. I want to first configure serial interface of these both routers. I click the router, go to configuration tab, double click your router, go to slots, choose the big interface 1T. This is the serial interface. Same configure here, go to configure, double click your router, go to slots and choose big 1T. Then click OK. Once it is done, you make the connections. Go to cable icons, just click, choose the serial interface 00. Here also serial interface 00. Once it is done, make the connection LAN. Pass it in 0+0. Then this switch up to PC. The first port. Here also pass it in 0+0 to have then hub to this PC. This second interface. Once you can you remove this cable icon. Once it is done, you can start your network. Close this session. Start. Just now you can see your router ready to started. Once first R1 router started and R2 router also started. So next we are going to configure RIP routing. So first of all, I'm going to just set some labels of this interface IP address is 192.168.2.2.1. This interface IP address is 192.168.2.2. Okay. Next, this interface IP address is 192.168.1.1. This interface IP address is 192.168.1.2. Then this interface IP address is 192.168.3.1. This interface IP address is 192.168.3.2. So next we are going to configure our router. So first of all, go to router 1, right click, console. Once console is open, want to verify what are the router interface have. This router there are two interfaces. One is pass it in 0/0, another one is serial interface 0/0. So I want to first configure. So IP interface brief. Okay, you can see pass it in 0/0 and the serial interface 0/0. Okay, right now these both are not configured, is showing surround state. I want to configure this interface IP address. Go to configuration mode, configure terminal. So interface pass it in 0/0 as in the IP address. So IP 192.168.1.1 space 255.255.255.0. Okay, just wait. There's some showing somewhere. So IP address. Okay. Okay. Just to enable the interface. Okay. Done. So come back, exit, configure your serial interface. Interface serial 0/0 IP 192.168.2.2 space 2.1 space 255.255.255.0. Okay. Then enable the interface, show no shutdown command. Then come back, exit, and come back, exit, check interface status IP interface. So interface IP brief. So IP interface brief. You can see right now the both interfaces are configured. Okay, just minimize this session. Then go to our router R2, go to console, check what other interface available. So IP interface brief. There are two interfaces. I'm going to configure this two interface. So interface fast Ethernet 0/0 IP address 192.168.3.1 is 255.255.255.0. Okay. The next way, no shutdown. Then exit, configure the serial interface. Interface serial 0/0. Okay. IP address 192.168.2.2 space 255.255.255.0. Okay, no shutdown. Exit, verify the interface status. So IP interface brief. You can see what interfaces are available here. Then fast Ethernet and the serial interface. Once you configure, assign the IP address to your PC. So I'm assign the IP to go to view tools and virtual PCs. Okay, then the IP address IP 192.168.2 space 255.255.255.0. Subnet default gateway is 192.168.1. Just wait a few seconds. If it is committed, you can verify your IP address. So it's configured. Just minimize this session. Go to configure second PC, tools, virtual PC. Okay, so no need to do this. This one is enough. Go to second PC, second option. IP 192.168.2.2 255.255.255.0. Default gateway is 192.168.2.3. Okay. Okay. 1 minute. This is 3.1. 3.2. 3.2. Okay. We'll check it. Other duplicate IPs are available not. Once you complete it, you can check your second PC IP address. So IP. So this is also right now configured. So next, want to make the routing in router 1. So go to configure terminal router RIP. Okay. Other networks your router have. My network router have there are two networks. One is 192.168.1.0, another one is 192.168.2.0. Okay. So network 192.168.1.0. Then another network is 192.168.2.0. Okay, come back, exit, and go to router 2. These have there are the two networks. One is 2.0, 192.168.2.0, another one is 192.168.3.0. Go to router 2. configure the same routing RIP protocol. Okay, router RIP network 192.168.2.0, the network 192.168.3.0. Come back, exit, 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 verify the routing RIP routing protocol IP route. You can see right now you configure R means RIP routing protocol. You can see here it is a RIP. Same command you can file in R1. So IP route. See, this is your RIP routing protocol. Okay, once we configure it, you can make the connection between this port and PC is working or not. Go to right now, go to PC1, press 1, ping 192.168.2.2. Right now ping is successfully working. Next, go to check from this PC to this PC. Go to the same virtual PC window. Press 2, go to sign PC, then ping 192.168.1.2. Okay, this is also working well. Right now, the RIP routing configuration was successful done. Once you complete that, you can save your running configuration using this command, WR command. Then you can save this router running configuration using WR command. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks.